my loves, today I'm bringing you a video on a look that the color is trending now. I don't know if you guys know that the colors that are trending are like the neon green, neon orange, neon yellow, neon pink, and I'm gonna create a night look with the greens. See how it turns out. And this shirt that I'm wearing, I will have a picture right here or right here of the outfit that I'm wearing, and I hope you guys like it. If you're new, hello, my name is Liz and welcome to my channel. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Before you leave, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I come in here for you guys. Also, please do subscribe. The button is right down here, and become a part of my Pinky Fam. So yeah, let's get on with this video. I'm eyebrows on, face is set, moisturized, foundation. All the products are gonna be listed down below like always, and Mishka is in back of me. So you know what to do. Grab a snack, your favorite drink, relax, sit back, and enjoy the video. Mwah. So let's get on with this creation. I am going to be using the Take Me to Brazil palette. It's like this, and the colors mirror. The colors are beautiful, and you already know. Everything will be listed below. Let's go in with this video. And I'm gonna be taking this lime green color, and I will be applying it above my crease, all over my crease, and I'm also taking it from inner corner to outer corner. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems, I solve them. I run through the money. Now I'm taking this yellow shade right here, and I'm just basically going to go through and just make sure I don't have no harsh edges. Blend, 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 guys. Now I'm taking this darker green, and I am going to start darkening the crease. Blend, blend, blend. My dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. Now I'm taking the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Gold Goddess, and I will be applying this on the crease. As you see, guys, I am cutting the crease. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing, I needed some personal time. All the pictures, dimensions, I know what you did this, I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause they got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems, I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling, the birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. Now I'm taking the green, the darker green, and I am going to apply it where I cut the crease. I just don't want anything to be harsh. I want everything to be smooth. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Now I am taking this black shade right here, and I'm going to apply it in the outer V of the eye. I am going to create a smoky eye. I needed a little dimension. And with this shimmery white shade, I will be highlighting under my eyebrow bone. I'm gonna go off camera, put the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to finish the eyes. And I'm taking the black shade again, and I'm going to create a wing effect.
discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bucket. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune. I'm flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe. And 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you want me? Like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side.
And this is the eye look that I created. I hope you guys like it. Also guys, remember I am most active on Instagram, and I usually post in Instagram first before I come in here and announce or do a video, etc. So yeah, make sure you follow me there. All the links are down below in my description box. And yeah, hope you guys like this look, and until my next video, love you guys so much. A lot of huggies, a lot of kisses going your way. And until my next video, love you guys so much. Remember, if you're going through something, please do not let go. Hang in there, hang tight. And if you cannot deal with what you're going through on your own, please look for help. Love you guys so much.
I got problems on problems.